Forces out, yeah, bring it on. Pass to begin, Sugar Free, Princess Jellic. Moving up party out, so now is Jonas Recipe. Obitron and Golden U going along for the first turn. Bring it on. By our ahead, moving up now is Jonas Recipe. And in third, Sugar Free. 3 lengths for the back in port, Princess Jellica. Obitron and Golden U. They swing into the back. We've got entry number 5, Jonas Recipe. By about 3 for the Palenka. Running by the rail, second is Bring It On, Sugar Free in third. Princess Jellic now trying to get closer in port together with Obitron and Golden U. And it's still Jonas Recipe, Sugar Free, sorry, outside, Bring It On, Princess Jellic. Obitron also moving up. Jonas Recipe by Avalanca. And in second is Sugar Free, Obitron, Princess Jellic is down on the inside. Jonas Recipe still in front, Obitron moving up by the rail now. Pines and opening is Princess Jellica. As they come down at the last 150, Obitron takes the lead. Princess Jellic is running by the rail. In the middle is Jonas Recipe. Obitron running by the rail is Princess Jellic. Obitron, Princess Jellic is down on the inside, but it's still Obitron. And finally, Obitron, Princess Jellic. Then comes Jonas Recipe.
Second choice.